Isabel came and watered them a few times. I think I just trimmed, but was too far from the sun, I'm guessing, so it's all pulled this way. And it still has those white mealy things coming back. So I'm gonna have to fix those again. Push it this way so that maybe it props back up towards the sun, is my hope. Girl, didn't lose too many plants, so that's exciting. I thought that I was gonna come back and have my monstera be dead, which was sad because I'm attached to her. And this guy's still kicking. This plant I've had for so long. I treat it like shit and somehow it's still alive, but I am gonna get soil again this week and haul that back here and fix them because I've been neglecting them. Hey everyone, it's a new day. I'm wearing the same clothes. I started out this vlog when I first got home and immediately, put in my AC. Here I am now, day 2, back in my apartment. Thought I'd give you some updates. I'm gonna paint my toenails to do this. I'm like so refreshed on New York. One, I'm just like so grateful. Like there's no way in hell 2 years ago that I ever would have had the option to leave, or even last year. And that's because of my job and all of you guys taking the time to watch my videos and being here. And yeah, I'm definitely feeling refreshed and also just like I want to work harder. Coming back is called I'm gonna reinvent myself, hopefully. I guess like pay more attention to my life is the overarching theme that I feel like I thought of this good analogy that I feel like perfectly sums up what I do, which is I'm the kind of person who puts on movies in the background. Like I half watch a movie and I half do something else. I never ever remember what even happened in the movies because I'm like giving them half of my attention and I'm giving something else half of my attention. One, I just am so floaty sometimes. Like I have so many thoughts, but I have a really hard time putting them into action. And so I'm really trying to focus more on actions that I can actually do instead of just kind of letting everything pass me by or like float by me while I'm just kind of watching it happen, which is what I've been feeling like for the past year. It's hot in here still. My friend Sabrina is an angel and has a car and is bringing me an AC that she doesn't use, and that is the nicest thing ever. So also on my thrift haul, I got these. And I talked about wearing them with like a nice little white frilly top if I had one. I just tried them on with this, which I got from Depop kind of like right before I left. And I think it looks pretty cute. I'm excited to wear clothes again. I went to run a small errand, very masked up, very hand sanny. It's so hot and I needed some bubbly water. But did I figure out the key to happiness while I was gone? I'm putting you in this. Yes, I think I figured it out after 3 months being in Colorado. Taking my first walk, I was starting to feel very depressed in here, and it's only been 2 days. Is the key to happiness going on walks? Spending some time outside every day? I think it might be. You tell me. Look how tan you are. Ooh. Tan and beautiful.
She's been at the beach. And coming back to school. Eat your veggies.
Welcome back. Day 3, wearing the same outfit. I don't know if I'll ever take these pajamas off. They are from Daehi Studios. I think that's how you pronounce it, or it's Daehi. They're Australian, but I got them at the very beginning of quarantine to treat myself because they were having a sale and I've wanted something from them for so long. And unfortunately, obviously, like, shipping during that time was so weird, especially from Australia, so it took a few months. Got a nice surprise coming back from Colorado, and they're so cute and soft and like just so comfy. Okay, yes, I'm writing my to-do list for the day. This truly has been so helpful. I talked about this in my morning routine, but you know, sometimes I'm idealistic of like, yeah, this is something that could really help me, and then I don't stick to it. But when I do these, it just keeps me so much more on track to actually do just the few things I need to do that day instead of being so frozen with like anxiety and not getting anything done. And also yesterday, you know, there's some things that I didn't get done that I thought I would, but that's no problem. You know, so trying to not beat myself up for anything. My sleep schedule has been so weird, but I'm feeling good. I just had a little Krungbin dance party that really got me going.
Oh, we grabbed that Danish farmer, spat on it, then gave it back. Oh, she sunk her head into her arm, shut the door and left.
Extremely helpful because it shows you different spots with
The sun's now dancing behind the hills, la da da da.
It's nice. It's just, I mean, look at this. We're on an airstrip.
Putting away my clothes for my trip. Got a lot of questions being like, do you realize, or like, how do you feel about your things? Like, now that you've been living out of a suitcase for 3 months, like, has that changed how you view your stuff? And it really has. While I was gone, I was completely feeling like I'm so ready to have my closet back. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get home and I'm just gonna like play around with my clothes. I was really excited to do that because I do really love, you know, coming up with new outfits, but now I'm back and I'm like, I don't feel much of an emotional like attachment to most of these things, which is really weird. And I was kind of sick of wearing like the same short and t-shirt like combo every day. So I'm gonna be doing a closet clean out video probably next week, and putting a lot of stuff up on Depop again. Sometimes I'm a contradiction because I think I'm gonna have something forever, and I really do have that intention, but then sometimes it changes, and if I feel like I'm not gonna wear something, I will just re-Depop it and give it to someone who will. So take care of your clothes so you're able to at least give them another life. Yeah, so that's coming.
And he was lying by the door with a book, nothing planned. The sun's beaming over the hill. What's a perfect time?
I'm gonna plant these little bitties in here. I think they can go together from what I've read, or at least they should be okay together.
She said, "How don't you take me back?"
Is Italian parsley the same thing as cilantro? I just grabbed this not thinking because it looks like cilantro. Doesn't smell like cilantro. Might have messed up. Different clothes. It's a new day. Last night was wild lightning storm and I recorded it, which was, I was happy I was in the middle of a vlog. I just went and picked up my mail from my mail room where I get all my packages received, just since I get like so much important brand things for work that I have, whatever, I collect it elsewhere. So I have like 5 months of PR and some packages I've sent there, and some cool stuff that I want to show, and some thrifted stuff for maybe another haul, aka but I'm gonna show you a few things that I've grabbed and like some brands and stuff that are really cool. Youth to the People, eco-friendly, hip-witted brand. I really like their stuff. This was like just their kind of Pride Kit PR box that they did, but I really like them, and all their products are really good if you haven't heard of them. This is my friend. I repost her work sometimes. She is the one who animated my intro for my videos, but she made this coloring book that is also, it is so cool. It's called My Vag. She is so awesome. Her name is Margalit. You guys should follow her on Instagram if you haven't. She makes like really funny comics and like short little animations. Plant People, I love Plant People so much. These are the sleep drops I use that I'm really into. They help me sleep. I also have a promo code with them if you ever want to try them out. I'm an affiliate. They sent me a little merch too, which is cute. Just follow Courtney Ruthie on Instagram. She just, in this year, launched her own nail polish brand, and the colors are so good. I was like so impressed that she like did all of this. They're so cute and beautiful, and I can't wait to paint my nails. I think the last one I got was yellow. Been on this hunt for, like I'm wearing, I did find a pair luckily that fit. These are all I want to wear around in the hot, sweaty, kind of cute but very comfy. But I grabbed this other pair because I liked these better, but they're so small. So if you are a teensy human, these are gonna be going on my Depop because I don't think they'll let me return. Mess. Luckily recycling goes out tonight. Also got some fabric paint for an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Yeah, hopefully that's interesting. I don't know if you guys find PR mail. Filming a little outro here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I really enjoyed vlogging. It's kind of fun putting just like a mix into this video of like what's kind of just going on. So hopefully you enjoy them. Feeling good this week. I'm feeling like I did a good job at sticking to kind of like the practices or like the vibe that I was having outside of the city, and just like trying my hardest to bring that back with me and like stay grounded, as I was feeling pretty grounded for the most part being away. That's just been like taking walks, cooking good meals, trying to be proactive like I was talking about in the beginning of this video, of just like actually being active and not just like sitting in my mind and in my thoughts all day long. And I have been doing a better job at that so far. It's only been a few days, but hopefully I can keep it up. Probably do like a whole video maybe on like some thoughts around keeping myself grounded, maybe, if you guys want to see that. I did make this vlog a little bit longer for those of you who were requesting longer vlogs, and let me know if you guys liked this one. Give it a thumbs up to tell me, or comment below, and subscribe if you haven't, if you want, and I will see you so soon in the next one.